With Stella 4.1.2, we've made some changes to the find dialog that will allow you a little bit more flexibility. Suppose, for example, I wanted to find all the variables that start with THE and end with END. To do that, I can open the find dialog, which is from the edit menu, find, or Control+F, and then I type in THE, and this gives me everything that starts with THE. Now I can click select all. Everything will now be selected in the diagram, and if I look in the look-in drop-down, currently selected variables. It's the same set of variables. It's now in alphabetical sequence, but now I'm searching within that. So if I type end, of course I will get things at the end in the middle, but if I put a quote there, it will be end only at the end, select all, and now I have the things that start in the end. One is in module 1, and one is on the root model. The other thing that has changed in the find dialog is we've added this idea of with ghosts. So I'm going to go back to selecting everything, and I'll click with ghosts. And I will take away my words. These are all the variables in the model that have ghosts. See, A middle has a ghost here, and in the module, this has a ghost here as well. So what I can do is I can select ghosts, and what that does, instead of selecting the parent variable, if you will, it will select only the ghosts. And now I could go into, example, the style panel and say, well, let's fill all the ghosts in nice and blue. And now all my ghosts, I didn't pick a very nice color there, will show up blue regardless of whether they're in the main model or in the module. These small changes give you a little bit more flexibility when you're working finding variables under different sets of circumstances.